a good idea to show you guys everything, because if you want to do any kind of immigrational services, so that's the place you need to go. That's Nilumkuna right there.
In 400 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
There you go.
Is it okay, sir?
Sorry?
Is he okay?
Yeah, easy please, yes. Easy now, you guys get directions and everything, huh?
Oh, yes, okay. Google Map?
Google Maps,
Officially is direction.
In 500 meters, turn left.
Nobody, three-wheel drivers can't do anything anymore.
I like this one. I'm part-time driver.
Oh, okay.
I'm photographer. I am part-time.
Oh, you're a photographer?
Yes.
Oh. So here's the card. If you guys want to contact him for any photography needs, he's a nice guy. Traffic getting chaos on Monday morning. So we're at the passport office right now. I mean, there's no lines, everybody going where they want to go. No 6 feet, no nothing. That's Sri Lanka for you. Manoj got the appointment at 9:15, but she just said that there's another queue, so no matter appointment or anything you do online, doesn't matter. It just get you in, and everything else you gotta do it over here, and it takes long time. It's really hard right now. So a lot of people trying to go out of the country. All this trash, I mean, so I know a lot of people want to hear good things, but when you see bad stuff, you gotta point it out. I don't think it's gonna be ever gonna learn, so, but this is what it is. This is happening for many years, so we got a jackfruit, like I explained, fish salad, dry fish. This is one of my favorite, chicken liver, and this is again, well, this is pretty much my favorite foods ever in Sri Lanka. So thank you to Nayana for making this. Wow. Yeah, it's really delicious. So don't get jealous if you're watching this from US or any other country and you're Sri Lankan. Other than the government buildings who doesn't really do anything, this is the best part of coming to this country, is the food and the people. So make sure that you don't have to deal with the government offices when you're here, and just spend all that time enjoying this beautiful food and people. All fish. Wow. I forgot that. Wow. You have to add that too. Wow. Okay. I don't mean to make you jealous anymore. So let me eat this, and I'll conclude this video for today. So thanks for watching. If you guys like this kind of video, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. There's a lot of videos coming from Sri Lanka. And watch the elderly home video from yesterday, and help out if you guys can. We did something today too, same thing like that. And thank you to Nayana for the food. Nayana will get it. Okay, we'll meet you guys on the next video. Thank you.